Hi, everybody. Outcast here, and just here to talk to you about the new internet kill switch bill that's going through Congress or the Senate. Can't remember which at this point, but it's being presented by your good old friend Joe Lieberman, and he's planning on trying to get a bill passed to give the president powers to cut off the internet if he deems there's a serious enough threat, um, and which makes a, yeah, I can understand him wanting to cut off access to key pieces of infrastructure that have internet access, like DoD computers or the power grid or something with sewer or water and things like that. Anything that is a key asset, but it shouldn't be up to the government to protect ISPs from internet attacks, because they should have already spent money on firewalls and other protection methods to secure their networks. And also, any network operator with assault and finds out there's an attack originating on his network will also make sure that it stops and gets shut off. Um, it it just doesn't make sense, because you can you can easily, if there's a huge attack coming, you can easily, most cases, profile that attack and shut it off and figure out how it's going. It's shouldn't be too, but to literally flip a switch and saying internet access for everyone's done, cut off, whatever. I think it's just too much power in one person's hands and could potentially cause problems. So tell me what you think, and leave comments here, and let me know what you think, and love to hear from you. And we'll see you tomorrow.